and I'm here to talk to you about 3D printing. So, where to start? We're going to launch 3 videos per month, and we're going to cover the true aspects of all 3D printers and the pros and cons and the problems that we've encountered, and the do's and don'ts of 3D printing. And the first one we're going to start to look at is the DaVinci all-in-one unit. It's a 3D scanner built in. It has a single extruder nozzle as well. It's in effect sort of like a duplicating machine. You can 3D scan objects and then print those objects, so you can essentially duplicate your handmade creations with the use of a 3D printer. And as you'll see over here, this is the all-in-one unit. At the moment we're doing some calibration. There you go, doing some calibration there. Once that unit's finished, we will be able to show you the process of 3D scanning.